in this first part of the question, we're asked to simplify 4 times w times 3 times y. Well, 4 times 3 is 12. Then I'm timesing it by w, so that'll be 12w, times it by y. I write it as 12 WY, okay, or 12YW, okay. Either answer would suffice, okay. So in algebra, guys, in mathematics, we don't bother writing the times sign when you have a letter and a number, okay. 12WY just means 12 times W times Y, or 12 times Y times W. Okay, in this next part, it says in each of the spaces below, write a term to make the statement correct. So f plus something minus something equals 6f. Well, let's go for, okay, f plus 7f is 8f, then subtract 2f, and I get 6f. Okay, now there are obviously, infinite combinations of this, okay, but this is, going to be one of them, okay. I can do f, okay, plus 6f minus f equals 6f. I can do f plus 10f minus 4f. Okay, the list obviously goes on, okay. As long as your answer at the end simplifies or gives you 6f, okay, then you're fine, okay. Next up, solve each of the following equations. Part I, 6x equals 48. Well, 6x in mathematics, in algebra, guys, means 6 times x, or x times 6. So to unravel that, to undo that, okay, what's the opposite or what's the inverse of multiplying? Well, then, guys, you guessed it, it's going to be to divide, actually, to divide this side by 6 and divide this side by 6. These 6's, they cancel, so we get x equals 48 over 6. So 48 divided by 6 is 8. So x equals 8. Okay, and if you're unsure, obviously check it. Okay, 6 times what is 48? Or 6 times 8 is 48. Therefore, my answer is correct. Okay, so if you're ever unsure, guys, obviously check by subbing it back in if you're ever unsure, okay, or in doubt. Finally, we're asked to solve a over 4 equals 40, so a quarters is 40. Remember, that fraction line means a division. So what's the opposite of dividing by 4? You guessed it, guys, well done. I'm going to times by 4 on this side and times the right-hand side by 4. Okay, when I do this, okay, I get a is equal to, okay, so a is equal to 40 times 4, so 40 lots of 4 is 160, because 4 times 4 is 16, and then tag on that extra 0 because I'm timesing by 40 rather than 4. Okay, so yeah, that is how to solve a one-step linear equation, okay, for GCSE maths, okay, and this is from the Educast past paper for the foundation tier, but it's applicable for OCR, AQA, and Edexcel foundation tier students, okay. Let's look at some algebra, okay. I hope that makes sense, okay. Thank you for watching. AMT over and out.